This is a composite indicator that we have, so a lot of things goes into it. But I think the main challenge that is happening is that the urban employment growth at the top end probably is tapering off a bit. And in line with that, the urban wage growth indicator that we have from wage cost of about 3,500 listed companies, that is also coming off. And both these things are turning out to be headwinds. Along with that, the excess savings during the pandemic that the consumers had, that is also now mostly exhausted.
Top Economist on March 12 analyzed India's February headline retail inflation, posing potential implications for the Reserve Bank of India's monetary policy decisions. Gaura Sen Gupta from IDFC First Bank highlighted that the marginal decrease in inflation aligns with market expectations, suggesting a possible repo rate cut by the RBI's Monetary Policy Committee (MPC) in the second quarter of financial year 2024 and 2025. He emphasized that as core inflation continues to decelerate and growth remain robust, there is a room for policy adjustments to address inflation concerns. Shubhada Rao, founder of Quant Eco Research, pointed out the importance of assessing the upcoming monsoon season before rate decisions. Anticipating a neutral monsoon in 2024, she outlined two key factors influencing RBI's rate cut decision: domestic price pressures and actions by the Federal Reserve. Rao predicted a potential rate cut window opening in August MPC with a closer look October for implementation. Time to evaluate monsoon impacts. Upasna Bhardwaj, chief economist at Kotak Mahindra Bank, emphasized RBI's cautious stance on volatile food inflation, suggesting a pause on rate changes until August. However, she noted the possibility of a shift in stance by June, driven by RBI's liquidity management strategies. The Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation released data on March 12, showing India's headline retail inflation at 5.09% for February, almost unchanged from January's 5.10%, despite remaining within RBI's tolerance range for the sixth consecutive month. Inflation has surpassed the medium-term target for 4% for 53 consecutive months. The upcoming RBI MPC meeting on April 3rd and 5th will be crucial, following the panel's decision in February to maintain the policy repo rate at 6.5%. The central bank's latest forecast predicts CPI inflation at 5.0% in the current quarter, easing to 4.0% in July-September before rising to 4.7% in Q1 2025.